Are you ready? Okay. Hold you. We are going to be doing the rainbow worm science to the max. Woohoo! Are you so excited? I'm so excited. Okay, so we already made our activated, our worm activator because it says that parents should do this. This is our activator. It's calcium chloride. So once you make this, he's cleaning up. Once you make this, you can put this away or trash it, whatever you want to do, so that the kids don't have access to this. Now we have our sodium alginate, which is our worm goo. Yep, dump it in. And we are going to be making our different colors. So we've read the instructions. We're just going to put the instructions over here so you guys can see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's get these out so they can see. It looks like we have purple, orange, and blue. So put one in each container. Good job. Now let's move orange to here and blue to here. And then we're gonna add our goo. Okay, ready? We're adding our goo. Ooh, adding our goo. Adding our goo. I actually need a spoon to stir it up with. So I'm gonna have to get a spoon. Squeeze it. No reason for us to have leftovers, right? We're gonna use it all. Okay. There we go. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Now we're gonna stir up our blue one. Let's see if we can show Daddy. We're stirring up our blue activator, or goo, our gooey.
Wait.
Yeah. Okay. Here's our red. Oh, it looks more like pink. Can you see it, Daddy? Yay. Okay, which color next? Is that yellow?
Red.
Yellow. Yay. Okay. Now that we have all that stirred up, are you ready to make? All right, so we're gonna take our syringe. Which color do you wanna do first?
A blue.
You wanna do blue? Okay. So we're gonna, ooh, that looks fun. Okay. All right.
Yellow.
Here, yeah, let's take that out.
Blue.
Okay, here, help Mommy. Ready? Whoa, we're making worms. Okay, ready? Ready? Look. Oh, that was a leftover from our tester. Oh, goodness. Look! Ew! Look at it!
Ew.
Yeah.
Ew.
You want to do a pink one? Let's do a pink one. Ooh. Ready? Look. Drop. Oh, we have a lot of worms. Okay, you get it.
Bang.
Here.
Bang.
Oh. What do you think? Ick. You get it. Oh, yucky. Here, let's do yellow. Want to do yellow?
Bang.
This is yellow. I don't.
Blue.
You want to do blue? Okay, let's get rid of the yellow first then. Whoa. Oh.
Pink.
Want to do pink?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to do pink. How about we do some blue too? We're gonna do a rainbow one. And then we can do yellow. Ready? Okay. Ooh, we have a rainbow one. Look, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I think our colors made some really pretty mixtures. Ew, look at that worm. Where did it go?
Whoa.
Whoa. Great. Here, what color do you want to do next?
Pink.
Pink?
No pink.
No pink. Okay, what color?
Blue.
Blue, okay. Let's start.
No blue.
No blue? What color?
Yellow.
Okay, yellow. What if we make green? You want to make green?
Yes.
Okay, let's make green. All you have to do is mix your blue and your yellow. So we'll just take our little thing.
No green. No green.
Ready? Stir it. Oh, we made green.
Oh.
Here's our green.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, ready? Not. Okay. Ready? Look. Here's our green. Let's see. Let's see our green worm.
No green.
I want a green worm. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yuck. You get it. Oh. Whoa! Let's see how long it is. Ew. Ready? Here, let's do. Let's do. Great. This is not the expected outcome of this science experiment.
Bang. Bang.
You want me to make brown?
Yes.
Do you think brown will happen if we mix? Oh, that's really gross. Some of it he like squeezed and it didn't set. Okay. Okay, ready? Let's do a pink one. It's not even like sucking.
Bang.
You want brown?
S. S. S.
Okay. I don't have brown. More like we're doing more like chunks now. They're not worms anymore. They're just like nice. I think I have worms in my hair. Ready? All right, last one. Here, you do it. Look, you do it. Okay. Okay. For our last worm, let's see. Oh! Put it in your hair. Whoa, okay. Tell all of our friends. Say thanks for watching.
Watching.
Oh, say bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you liked our videos, and we'll see you next time.